Call them, guys. I wish I had a quarter. I don't have any quarter to feed them.
Yeah, you do. You're just not going to use your money.
I don't have it in me. It's in the car.
Put your hand up. Put your hand up.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Put your hand up.
Thank you so much. Now you guys know how to bird. Did you guys say thank you? Go ahead, Bert. Feed it. They're gonna come. Yeah? Where? Which one? Which one you want to feed?
Look, guys, one.
They're really nice. What happened? Why your face looks like you're tired? Alright, you fed them?
Baba, do you want to feed
No, you go ahead. Feed them. Feed them.
Wait, Omar, let's feed these little baby birds.
No, they might bite. Go feed them, and then you gotta wash your. That bird wants your food. Careful.
Kaden, boy, come here.
Yeah.
You guys are going to food right behind him.
Nice, right?
Nala, don't feed them here. Can you give me it? It's not too